Good morning, children. Today, in this math session, we will do an interesting activity. For that, the length of 4 different rivers is provided. The activity is divided into 2 parts. In first part, we have to find out the length of the Indus River and the Ganga River together. On the other hand, we have to find the length of the Brahmaputra River and the Godavari River together. And in the second part, we will see which group of rivers has more length. Children, let us find out the length of first group of rivers, that is the Indus River and the Ganga River. For that, first we will write the length of both the rivers in their correct place value columns. Here, the length of the Indus River is 2900. So, this 0 is in the ones place. So, we write this 0 in the ones column. This 0 is in the tens place. This 9 is in the hundreds place. And this 2 is in the thousands place. Similarly, we will arrange the length of the Ganga River. So, the length of the Ganga River is 2510. Here, this 0 is in the ones place. So, we write this 0 in the ones column. This 1 is in the tens place. This 5 is in the hundreds place. And this 2 is in the thousands place. Now, as the numbers are arranged in the correct columns, let us add them. First, we will add the numbers given in the ones column. Children, as we know that we always start from the ones column. So, in ones column, we have 0 and 0. 0 means nothing in addition. So, 0 plus 0 is 0 only. So, we write 0 in the ones column. Now, we will add the numbers given in the tens column. In tens column, we have 0 and 1. So, on adding 0 with 1, we get 1 only. Children, remember 0 property of addition, that the sum of any number and 0 is the number itself. So, here we are using that property only. So, 0 plus 1 will be 1 only. So, we write 1 under the tens column. Now, we will add the numbers given in the hundreds column. In hundreds column, we have 9 and 5. Children, as these numbers are there in the hundreds column, so let us call these numbers as 900s and 500s. So, on adding 900 and 500, we get 1400. But we will write only numbers after removing these zeros. These zeros are just for reading. So, here this 4 is in the hundreds place. So, we will write this 4 under the hundreds column. And this 1 is in the thousands place. So, we will write this 1 as a carryover to the thousands column. Now look at the thousands column. Children, in thousands column we have 1 as a carryover, 2 and again 2. Children, as these numbers are in the thousands column, so let us call these numbers as 1000, 2000s and again 2000s. So on adding 1000, 2000 and again 2000, it gives you 5000. Here 5 is at thousands place. So after removing these zeros, we will place this 5 in the thousands column. So now children, we have got the length of the Indus River and the Ganga River together as 5410. Similarly, we will find out the length of second group of rivers, that is the Brahmaputra River and the Godavari River. For that, we will write length of both the rivers in their correct place value columns. Here, the length of the Brahmaputra River is 2900. So, this 0 is in the ones place. So, we write this in the ones column. Then next 0 is in the tens place. This 9 is in the hundreds place. And this 2 is in the thousands place. Now, let us arrange the length of Godavari River, which is 1450. So, this 0 is in the ones place. So, we write it in the ones column. Then 5 is in the tens place. 4 is in the hundreds place. And this one is in the thousands place. Now, numbers are arranged properly. Let us add them. Children, we will start from the ones column. In ones column, we have 0 and 0. As we know, in addition, 0 means nothing. So, 0 plus 0 will be 0 only. So, we will write 0 in the ones column. Now, let us add numbers given in the tens column. Here, we have 0 and 5. So, on adding 0 with 5, we get 5 only, using the 0 property of addition. Now children, look at the hundreds column. In hundreds column, we have 9 and 4. As these numbers are there in the hundreds column, so let us call these numbers as 900s and 400s. So, on adding 900 and 400, we get 1300. So, children, in this 1300, we will use only numbers and we will remove these zeros. They are just for reading. So, this 3 is in the hundreds place. So, we will put this 3 under hundreds column. And this one is in the thousands place. So, we will put this one as a carryover to the thousands place. Children, now look at the thousands column. In thousands column, we have 1 as a carryover, 2 and 1. As these numbers are in the thousands column, So let us call them as 1000, 2000 and 1000. On adding 1000, 2000 and 1000, we get 4000. In this 4000, 4 is in the thousands place. So after removing these zeros, we will write this 4 in the thousands column. So in this way, we get the length of second group of rivers, that is 4350. Now let us move on to the second part of the activity, where we have to find out which group of rivers has more length. Children, as we have taken out the length of both group of rivers, let us compare them. First, children, let us see how many digits are there in both the lengths. There are 4 digits, 5410 and 4350. Now let us check the numbers given in the thousands place. Here in the thousands place 5 is there and here is 4. Children, which number is greater here? 5 or 4? Yes, it is 5. That means 5410 is greater than 4350, because in the first place 5 is greater than 4. Therefore, the length of the Indus River and the Ganga River is more than the length of the Brahmaputra River and the Godavari River.